Okay, today I wanted to talk a little bit about why you would need a public insurance adjuster. So it's very important to understand that when you have an insurance claim, what I tell people is you're actually going to have two losses. If you have a fire or a hail claim or a water claim, you're going to find out that you're going to experience a lot of feelings in that claim. But then you're going to experience a second catastrophe, which is dealing with the insurance company. And so oftentimes what happens is people realize they think, okay, I'm going to file a claim. I'm going to report it to my insurance company. They're going to come out. They're going to give me an estimate. They're going to write me a check. Boom, 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 boom. And it's all done. That is not the case. So in my experience, what has happened is insurance companies have developed and put systems in place where they will systematically deny and underpay your claim. So they'll stall your claim, they'll deny the claim, they'll delay the claim, they may send out partial denials. And so the whole idea behind the carriers is to pay out as little money as possible. And so a public adjuster would suit your interest in most of your bigger claims, because what we do is you would authorize us to help you with the claim. And what we do then is we will work the claim for you in your place and with you. So we will document all the damages, we will look at your policy for coverage, and we will demand payment from the carrier. We put all of our estimates together and we demand payments from the carrier. And so all we look at as a public adjuster is damage and coverage. Okay, do you have the damage and do you have the coverage? If so, we tell the insurance, this is the money that you have to pay this amount. And then we have systems in place to make sure that they pay that amount. And so now, how we get paid as a public insurance adjuster is for providing that service. We take a fee off of the claim, and it's usually 10%, sometimes 15% of the total claim payout. And so, and so what we do, you're not actually paying this. It's not money out of your pocket. It's money that comes off of the claim. And so, for instance, if you have $100,000 claim, then you would pay $10,000 for our services, and so on. And as an experienced public adjuster, I mean, I'm an expert in negotiating and settling an insurance claim. Where with you, the homeowner or the contractor, what happens is these are things that you don't navigate that often, especially as a homeowner. You don't navigate or have these major insurance claims, but maybe once or maybe twice in your lifetime. So trying to learn all this while you're still, have your full-time job or whatever, it's very stressful. And so what we do is we take on that stress, we take on the burden for you. To us, it's a day at the office because we've done this over and over and over. And so we're skilled in the art of the negotiation, and as far as what they would need to pay out, and then we make them do that. So it's very important. If you have a claim and they're giving you a lot of trouble, just reach out and call us. Whoever gave you this video, you can reach out to them, or my number is attached to my channel here. Feel free to give me a call. We have a free consultation. So there's no harm in calling us. Let us take a look at your claim and see if we can help. So thank you very much. God bless.